Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Captain speaking. We're Brisbane 147 traffic miles from Los Angeles International Airport. And we've just begun our initial descent at this time. The weather in Los Angeles, pretty much as expected. Good visibility, scattered clouds, winds out of the west. A couple degrees cooler at 20 degrees Celsius. That equates